We're at Belper train station and we're going to do a bit of train spotting with me, Mega Sim,
and Little Mega Sim,
and
Mega Ultra J.
Mega J Ultra, Mega Ultra J. Anyway, let's cue the intro. Welcome aboard, passengers. Mega Sim here. We are at... So there's the delayed 1446 coming in at 10:02. Yep, 1450. Anyway, this is the Mosaic. And as you can see, some of them have come off. Look at that, I can see right inside there. So yeah, it's from a distance it looks fine, but up close it's a bit missing. Anyway, so we are here, going to be here for about half an hour real time, watching some trains come and go. Got some Meridians, got some Voyagers, maybe a couple of freight trains. But yeah, so in a few minutes we'll get the train. Oh, I'm not getting on the train, but the train to Matlock. I think it's going to be an East Midlands Railway livery. So the other one that came in earlier that we weren't here for was in the old EMT colours. This will be the EMR colours. Anyway, let's wait for these trains to come in. So here she comes. It's EMR Regional. Gorgeous sound of those brakes. So it's very similar, isn't it, to the 150, this 156. What are the differences between the 150 and the 156? Let me know in the comments. But off she goes, off to Matlock. At least it's in the colours, the EMR colours. But yeah, there's still some EMT ones. We do get the 170s here, as you know, from other videos, but today it looks like we've just got 156s doing the Matlock branch line. So as we know, Derby, and then just past here, it branches off to Matlock. So yeah, the next train that comes through will be a slow Voyager, unless it's picked up some speed by the time it gets to us, but it's stuck behind this 156. Anyway, let's wait for that to come through. So it's going quite slow. I'm quite happy that went through quite slowly. Got a nice good look at that Voyager. See the Virgin sticker on the back, you know, the adhesive still on there. It does bug me, that does. Why can't they just give it a good old scrub so the Virgin sticker disappears? Because it's been a very, very long time since Virgin had cross country. I don't know why. Just, come on, somebody tell me why. Leave a comment. Why are the Virgin stickers still leaving their little adhesive stuff on the train when it's been however long since Virgin, you know, left? There we go. So anyway, we might have a freight train coming through in about 6 minutes. But yeah, we're going to be here till about 20 past maybe, to see if there are any other trains that are coming our way. We will be checking real train times. Real timed. Oh, I can never remember which way around it is. But yeah, there's the Mosaic. We got a nice view of the station. We're this side. Little Mega Sim was like, why are we this side? We're always this side. I'm like, yeah, but when I go to London, I'm always that side. So when I travel, I'm always on that side. And when I'm not, I'm on this side. Because we did see the Cumberland Castle steam train this side of the track. Anyway, let's wait for this next train to come through. little bit dirty, isn't it? It's a bit of a dirty meridian there, but then a little bit clean on the front bit. I do like this station. It's quite nice with the fast trains coming through. Just wish that there was a bit more of a variety. You know, we had a look, and the HST, the cross country, comes through at 5:30, which is too late for us. We can't be here for that. But yeah, we have the meridians, super voyagers, 156s, 158s, maybe 170s. And then yeah, this freight train is coming this way. Don't know what freight train it's going to be, but we'll wait and see. Probably a couple of 66s or maybe 166. But what rail company is it going to be? Wonder who it's going to be. Is it going to be DB Rail Freight, GB Rail Freight? Who's it going to be? So here comes this freight train. Oh, it's a 66. Look at that! Oh, he was giving it a bit of welly, wasn't he? Getting up to speed because he's running late. He's about 11 minutes late. It was a GBRF, wasn't it? Was that Golden something Jubilee? I'm going to have to look back at the video footage now to see what that was. Did you get something in your eye? We'll have a look at that now. Anyway, let's wait for the next one. The next train does not stop here. Please stand back from the edge. Here's the next one. Going to Sheffield. It's running a bit late. A couple of minutes late there. This one's come from Aberdeen, and I think this one's going to Plymouth. It's going to Plymouth, that one. And I just want to mention, 7:45 tonight. So what is it? It's 3:20. At 7:45 tonight, it will arrive in Plymouth. That's a long journey. Very long journey. I'd love to do it though. Aberdeen to Plymouth. Maybe Aberdeen to Penzance. That would be good. There's only one train a day that goes down to Penzance for cross country. All the others, you know, if there are any that go down there, they stop at Plymouth. A little bit of a first class in that one. It's quite fun seeing these coming through. We're just trying to keep down here for as long as possible, and yeah, go from there. Yeah, so this is a Voyager coming through. This should be coming through quicker than the last one coming this way. This is Bristol Temple Meads to Newcastle. And we got a toot as well. It's always a bonus getting a toot. So we're kind of waiting for the half 3 Colas rail, possibly HST network rail. It's not come through, just runs as required. So we're going to end on this 156. This is the one we saw earlier. Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking water at the top. Yeah, so that's that 156 that went to Matlock. It's now heading back to Derby. So we're not going to see this well, I say HST if it really is one. You just don't know. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Le Mega Sim. Social media links are in the description below. We'll watch it go, and then we'll finish the video. just water's pouring out of it. Don't know if you can see it, but it's not doing it now. Ah, when it was braking. Maybe it's the air system vent, aircon. I don't know if it's got aircon. Maybe when it was braking, the water was just pouring out. But it'd be cool to finish with this. Woo! He gave us a little toot, which is nice. Very nice of him. Right, lights are off, the front light, back light's just going to go off, so we'll just walk to the end of the platform. One more look at that. And here we go. Thanks guys, we'll see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out of here. See you soon guys. Off he goes. Wait a minute, where am I going? I'm not going to go yet. Let's go and have a look. But yeah, that should be it. We going? Yeah. Cool. Go on then. All right. See you soon, guys. Bye.